Welcome to Allcure Next Gen Ayurveda, where we bring nature's best to your doorstep. Today, we are diving into the wonders of Guava Leaves Powder, a powerhouse of health and wellness. Stay tuned to discover its incredible uses and benefits. Guava leaves have been treasured for centuries, not just for their delicious fruit, but for their versatile uses in traditional medicine and daily wellness. From teas and tinctures to skin care and hair treatments, Guava Leaves Powder is a multi-purpose gem in the world of natural remedies. So, what makes Guava Leaves Powder so special? It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health and well-being. You'll find an abundance of vitamin C, which is essential for a robust immune system and radiant skin. The presence of flavonoids, a powerful antioxidant, help neutralize free radicals and reduce stress on the body. Tannins, known for their astringent properties, support digestive health and help soothe inflammation. Supports weight management by improving metabolism and helping control blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and pain. All these health benefits makes it a go-to solution for various health concerns, thereby promoting wellness and vitality. Now, let's check out how to use this powder for a healthy living. For tea, mix 1 teaspoon of Guava Leaves Powder into a cup of hot water. Let it steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. Perfect for starting your day or unwinding in the evening. For hair wash, dissolve 1 tablespoon of Guava Leaves Powder in a cup of warm water. After shampooing, pour the mixture over your hair and scalp, massage gently and rinse with cold water. This treatment helps reduce dandruff and strengthens your hair. For face mask, mix 1 teaspoon of Guava Leaves Powder with a tablespoon of honey to form a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water to reveal soft, glowing skin. For digestive health, add a teaspoon of Guava Leaves Powder to your smoothies or juices for a healthy digestive boost. As an exfoliant, mix with water or a carrier oil to create a scrub that gently exfoliates your skin, leaving it smooth and refreshed. Conclusion: Guava Leaves Powder is more than just a natural remedy, it's a versatile addition to your wellness routine. Embrace the power of nature with Allcure Next Gen Ayurveda, and let Guava Leaves Powder enhance your health journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Experience these incredible benefits for yourself. Visit www.allcure.com today. We hope you found this video informative and useful, and we encourage you to do your own research and explore the world of natural remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching.